Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to show you inside this car. This is one of the rarest cars I think I'm going to bring to the channel. I've only ever seen this interior once before. Now if we combine that with a Glacier Blue 180 Roadster Quattro, I think this is one of the rarest combinations. We'll get back to the interior of the car shortly, but I just want to start with the exterior of the car, and look how filthy it is. Now, that's not the owner's fault. That is the fault of the recovery and the garage that he took it to originally to get the work done, that then they started quoting him ridiculous prices. They've delivered it back to him in this state, so you can see why he wasn't happy. I'm not normally taking jobs on for people, but I'm taking this one on for this guy because he's been messed about so much. But yeah, the exterior, I mean, looks a right state. This is a really good opportunity for me to show you why I bought into the clay cloth company. This snow foam is going to lift the dirt off the paintwork, leaving it scratch free. So now give it 10 minutes, give it a rinse off, and that's the bulk of the cleaning done. So yes, I know you shouldn't really soft tops and pressure washers and all that, I get that, but this needs retreating. This has got quite a bit of mould in it. It needs a good scrub, needs a good clean, and then it needs Fabsil or something like that retreating properly on this roof. So not too concerned about that at this point. Yeah, it's come up really nicely. Let's get the camera and show you around. So what the snow foam won't do is pull out all this contamination in the paintwork that you can see. But that's where the clay cloth will really come in useful. So yeah, if I get time while it's with me, I'll try and do a bit of that for him as well. But the priority is actually doing the clutch and the cam belt. So I'll be honest with you, I don't know the name of this colour. I will try and find it out for you. If I have, I'll include it. But it's just very dark blue. It's like a, yeah, just a very dark blue. So there's the blue that comes with the denim that's really horrible. Then there's like more of a Nagaro type blue, like a bold blue. And this is just a really subtle dark blue, but it's across the entire interior. Steering wheel, dash, lower dash, inside the glove box, door cards, trims, carpet, handbrake cover, centre tunnel. It's all there. Let me show you. Even the steering binnacle. So the clocks are obviously black, but the steering wheel surround is obviously blue. Compare it to that stalk there. So it's very subtle. You've got this dark blue absolutely everywhere. The window was actually partially open because the battery's flat when I was washing it, so I need to sort that out. But yeah, even all the trims around here are all matching colour. The dash, it's all just that very dark blue. It's in really good condition. We've got a cup holder, we love a cup holder. But even all the rear panels, it's all the same colour. Handbrake, centre tunnel, controls around here. This is where you really notice it, look. Black, dark blue. That's where it really pops. It's just nice having the whole interior colour matched. It's just really cool. But yeah, the inside of the roof, I mean, it's just everything. It's just a really, really nice, subtle, but nice combination. I think with the roof down on a sunny day, look really nice. But yeah, I mean, the driver's bolster really isn't that badly worn. You see the carpet is the blue. Side of the seat, it's all there. It's great. So yeah, I hope you can tell that I'm excited about this. So excited, in fact, that I can't sit and leave it dirty. I am going to have to do an interior clean for him as well, because it's just too nice for it to be dirty. But yeah, there's mud all over the place from this previous guy as well. So this is probably a good time to address, am I starting up again? The answer's no. I'm not doing this full time again. I'm just doing little bits and bobs for people as and when I want to. So things like a clutch where I can just give myself a day to get it done and make good money for doing it, it's worth me doing. But I've got my own cars that I'm working on, I've got the house that I'm renovating, I've got a baby on the way, so no, I'm not taking this on full time again or anywhere near that. I'm literally probably doing a job a month for people at the minute. That's it. So I've got too much of my own stuff. So by all means send me a message, but if I tell you that I don't want to do the job, please don't be offended. Like I say, there's one of me, there's very limited time for me to do little bits and bobs with people, so yeah, don't be offended. But yeah, right, so I am going to crack on with this. A lot shorter video than usual today because I just wanted to show you the car, little cheeky plug for the clay cloth company, but most importantly, this amazing, amazing interior. Until next time, I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.